Okay, this is a quick tutorial that will show you how to white balance an image file. So I have Photoshop open here and I have my image file here. You can just go File and then Open, and you'll want to navigate to where your image is saved. I'm going to start by cropping this to be about where I want it to be. You can also straighten your image by using this little straighten tool. Essentially, you can draw a straight line and it will straighten your drawing based off of that. So that's not really how I want it to be. So I'm going to kind of just eyeball it, but if you had a straight line horizontally or vertically, you can use that tool. So I'm just going to hit enter to accept. And now I'm left with this sketch that I want to white balance. So I like to use levels. So you go to image, adjustments, and then levels, and it will pop up this menu. And then if you select the dropper on the right, that's the white point. And essentially you just click onto your paper onto a dark point and that makes it a white point. Now you can see it kind of blew out this side of my image a little bit. If I hit escape, it'll undo it. I can try it again with maybe not quite as dark of a point. That looks a little bit better. It's still kind of blown out over here, but to be honest, my scan wasn't a very good scan. You can see it's definitely darker over here. You can also adjust like the brightness and the contrast a little bit. So you can see when I bring the brightness up, it's going to do that. So I'm just going to do levels one more time, pick a point over here that's a little bit darker, and honestly, I would just recommend, I would probably rescan this and redo it, but I could hit OK, and then I could go to the brightness and I could brighten it up just a little tiny bit, maybe play with the contrast a little bit. I just don't want to lose these shadows, so I don't want to overdo it. You can play around. Sometimes just turning it to black and white also will help the white balance a little bit. I think that looks okay. It's pretty white. This is something that you should do with basically anything you're turning in that has a white background. So I'm just going to go to File, Save As, and save it as a JPEG, and call it good. That is how you white balance.